How's it going, guys? It's Felix here. Today we'll be talking about these 40-liter Raven extra large painted saddlebags from Viking Bags. When I was in the market for storage solutions, I kept running into these key issues: storage capacity, security, and overall styling. Then that's when I had discovered Viking Bags, and they had the perfect solution. One of the key things that stood out to me from Viking Bags was the fact that they offered a quick release system for your saddlebags itself. It's an extra expense, but I do believe it's well worth. It's as simple as just turning your key, unlocking it, and sliding your bags out. And to reinstall your bags, it's as simple as just lining up your slots, get them on there, and that's it. Simple as that. To secure the quick release system, you install these two docking posts. You then line up the bracket to lock them into place. Here's a closer look on how easy the quick release system works. Once on, you lock it into place using the keys provided. The saddlebags provide you with a 2,440 cubic inches of storage area. They are fully weatherproof and have a soft, durable interior lining that protects your belongings, including a zipper pouch to keep important documents tucked away. The bags can fit anything from your favorite six-pack beverage of choice to your day-to-day travel gear, a jacket, hat, and gloves, or for myself, supplies for my art business. So I personally keep my essentials on the left side and my work supplies on the right side. These bags include a set of 2 locking keys for additional security and peace of mind when walking away from your bike. To unlock the bags, it's as simple as turning the key to the open position. Another bonus feature was the adjustability on the mounting position of the bags. You can position them to your liking. I personally have them following the fender body lines. The installation process of the XL Raven bags was very simple. Viking Bags provides you with instructions and have a step-by-step video on their YouTube channel, which breaks down all the hardware that's included and what tools are needed to install your bags. These Viking Bags not only exceeded my expectations for style, security, and functionality, and at the price point of $600 for the saddlebags and the optional $130 for the quick release system, they are a well-worthy investment for your motorcycle. Thank you guys for watching. If you are interested, make sure to check out Viking Bags' website.